Welcome to the 5X Coaching Academy. My name is Coach Tony, and in this video, we're going to be looking at the best jobs or side hustles / make money online methods for introverts who are looking to make more money online on their spare time. So first, what is an introvert, and is this video perfect for you? So an introvert is a shy, reticent person, so meaning you really don't like to interact with that many people, and this job or this make money online method is perfect for you then. Okay, so first, how much money can you make with this? This is not mine, but some guy on the internet made $119,000 from this make money online method, and I don't know if they're introverts, but this job is perfect for introverts because you don't have to talk to anybody. You're going to be using Pinterest and you're going to be using Amazon. So if you're interested, stay tuned for that. Okay, so how can you do this make money online method? It's fairly simple. First, you're going to go to affiliate-programs.amazon.com and you're going to be signing up for their Amazon Associates program. So what is the Amazon Associates program? Okay, this is affiliate marketing. So first, you got to sign up and you're going to join tens of thousands of creators, publishers, and bloggers who are earning with the Amazon Associates program. Next up, you're going to be recommending products, and with this method, you don't need that many fans. You don't need an active Instagram. You don't need social media, things like that. All you need is your Pinterest account, which is pretty unique. Okay, so you're going to share millions of products with your audience. They are going to have customized linking tools for individual bloggers, social media influencers, and Pinterest users, and you're going to earn up to 10% in associate commissions from qualifying purchases and programs. Their competitive conversion rates helps maximize earnings, so it really depends on the type of product that you sell. So it says up to 10%, so let's say you sell a product for $100. Someone clicks your link and buys whatever tool. Let's say someone buys a lamp from you for $100. Okay, that lamp is $100. You're gonna get $10 every time someone clicks on that link and buys your product, which is why we're gonna be using Pinterest for this. Okay, so how does this work? You're gonna share products and available programs on Amazon with your audience through a link. How are you going to earn money? You're going to earn qualifying purchases and programs through the traffic you drive through Amazon. And how can you qualify for this program? Bloggers, publishers, and content creators with websites or mobile apps can participate in the program. So if you're an influencer, you can click this Learn About the Amazon Influencer Program, and that's how you sign up. Okay? Next, we're going to be using Pinterest. So how can we use Pinterest to make money? Very, very simple. If you look on Amazon right now, they have all of these items on Amazon. And with Pinterest, you don't need that many followers. You don't need that many people on your account. Your followers don't really matter on Pinterest. All you have to do is create content and link them to Amazon. So for example, look at this, 15 best places to buy small space furniture. Here it is. They're furnishing a tiny space like mini apartments can be a challenge, especially if custom goods. So look, if I click on this link, it's gonna go take me to her blog. And every time I click on any of these things, it's gonna take me to Amazon.com. And if I purchase any products just coming from her link and I buy anything on Amazon, it doesn't even need to be this daybed, for example, or this couch. If I purchase this couch through her link, it doesn't even need to be the couch I purchased. If I go buy a box of Band-Aids, for example, I would still get commission on that box of Band-Aids because I took them to Amazon where they actually bought some product. And that's very simple. That's all you got to do. So how can you make money through Pinterest and Amazon if you are an introvert? Well, all you got to do is use whatever you're passionate about and make pins about them and make as much pins as you can. So how can you do this without that technical skills or website knowledge or graphic design skills? Very simple. All you got to do is go to canva.com and we're going to go make a little quick Pinterest pin, okay? So we're going to go Pinterest pin. For example, we're going to go create a pin. There's so much free templates out there. Let's go do this one. Okay. So while this pin loads up, you can just put for example, this is already a pin and you could publish it to Pinterest right away. So once you sign up for your Amazon link right here, you're going to have a referral link on Amazon. And when you publish to Pinterest, You're going to connect to Pinterest right here, and then you're going to type in your affiliate link. Whenever someone clicks that link, they're going to be taken to Amazon, so you can make money around 10% for each object. Okay, tons of people on Pinterest are doing this today, and there's still a lot of ways for you to make money because Pinterest is growing faster than ever. You can do home goods, you can do books, you can do couches, anything that you see on Amazon, you can link it up. So for example, if you look at watches, Amazon watches, for example, there's so much watches out here. If someone looks at your pin, they click on the link. If someone clicks on the link, it's going to take them to their website, 15 eco-friendly websites. There it is. These eco-friendly gifts on Amazon will help men in your life be a little more economically conscious. Okay, eco-friendly gifts for him. Whenever you click on any of these, see, this post contains affiliate links, which means they're going to receive compensation every single time you click and make a purchase. And it doesn't need to be this watch, for example. It could be anything on Amazon that you buy. You don't need a blog for this. You don't need an extra website. All you got to do is link whatever products you are very passionate about. Okay? So like this guy, he was making over $119,000 in 1 year from January 1st to December 31st, 2016 by using Amazon affiliate links and making lists like this, like the 15 best sources for outfitting your small space. That's all he's doing. He's making little blog posts like this. He's linking things from like IKEA, Target, things like that. And he's making a collection, a curated list of people to purchase the product from. And it's not just Amazon that this works for. You can do IKEA as well. IKEA has their own affiliate program right here, IKEA affiliate program. And all you got to do is sign up, and it works the same way. It's around 6% to 7%. So whenever someone buys, let's go say $100 thing from IKEA, $100 bed frame, for example. Those bed frames are pretty expensive, so you can make a whole site based on bed frames. And if someone clicks this link, goes to ikea.com, you're going to be making around 7% of whatever 354 pounds is. Very simple to make money, and you could do whatever you want. If you're already on Pinterest, this is perfect. If you're not on Pinterest yet, you better hop on Pinterest if you want to try this make money online method. Well, that is it for today's video. If you guys want to know my favorite make money online methods, then let me tell you what it is. Okay, you guys could leave for my sales pitch, or you could stay. It doesn't really matter. It's all up to you. So what is the 5X Coaching Academy? It is the best online coaching, consulting, course creating, mentorship, and all of YouTube. I take a select group of people to make the most amazing online business from scratch. It runs for 5 weeks, and I'll be with you every single step of the way. If you are interested, please click the link in my description below to get you started today. If this video helped you out even just 1%, please consider hitting the subscribe button so you can support me and support what I do. That is it for today's video. Stay safe, stay blessed, peace out.